what is हीरो ही नहीं, हीरो को भी ऐसा बोला गया है कि वो भी गोरा चिट्टा होना चाहिए.
Really?
अरे बाबा.
लड़कों को बोलते हैं नहीं, tall, dark and handsome.
हाँ, तेरा मिल्जन बून का डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं है, फालतू नहीं, हिंदी सिनेमा का डिस्क्रिप्शन है.
मिल्जन बून का क्या बोला?
तो डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं है जो तू अपने बचपन में पढ़ा करती थी.
क्या?
हाँ.
मैंने आज तक एक मिल्जन बून नॉवेल भी नहीं पढ़ा है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, exactly.
एक पढ़ा नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स एक नहीं पढ़ा, बहुत अधिक
महिमा कसम.
अधिक पढ़ी है, अधिक पढ़ी.
नहीं, एक भी नहीं पढ़ा है.
कैसा कुछ भी.
आज तक, seriously, I swear to God.
Okay, fine, doesn't matter. उसमें एक डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है ना कि about a man, tall, dark and handsome.
Correct.
वो उसका ये है, लेकिन हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, पता नहीं.
अच्छा.
इंडियन सिनेमा had to have the dudes
हाँ.
who are fair also. गोरा चिट्टा, गोरा चिट्टी.
गोरी चिट्टी.
हाँ.
Okay.
And I want to ask our bandhus today.
हाँ.
Please, let's be honest, okay? What is your concept of beauty?
Right. What is
You
my
think
concept?
people will share with us, Falzani?
Uh,
Is it like somebody who's tall, dark, and handsome, who's like short and like fair and beautiful?
Right. Exactly.
Yeah.
Short and fair and beautiful.
Like
Am
all-
I short and fair and beautiful?
अरे
Is that what
स्क्रीन
you're saying?
देखो फालतू तुम देखो, तुम ब्यूटीफुल तो है, बताया ना मैंने.
हाँ, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
हाँ.
लेकिन उसके अलावा फेयर क्यों बोला मेरे को? ऐसे जैसे गाली दे रहा है.
अरे नहीं रे. Oh my God. What do I say?
We want to ask you, Punajan, what makes a person beautiful, according to you? No, don't say, oh yeah, the inner personality and how it radiates from within and, all that good stuff. What if you like,
What? That's all good stuff?
it is good stuff, of
Okay,
course,
okay.
of course, absolutely.
Uh-huh.
We do believe that is good stuff. लेकिन ये भी तो है कि अगर आप किसी से आकर्षित होते हैं, not in terms of a bad way, like when you're walking down the road or whatever, you see somebody who is really good looking.
Huh.
What is it that or something about a person that attracts you to that person? Not like I got that amorous attraction, not like that. You could just feel like, oh wow, that person is pretty good looking, right?
Oh yeah. I think we had a discussion while we were planning the show, but we are trying to also understand whether beauty is also a part of what beauty would you look at as a charisma, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about, Faltu, right now? When
I don't know. There's something about some people which will make you turn around and take another look at them. You know what I
Huh.
mean? Like there's some people who have like this beautiful smile that they'll flash at you or whatever, right? Which really, really will make you want to look back at them and then do that. And then there's some people who just, I don't know. I'm just asking. Don't you feel that sometimes? For me, I'm sorry, but I don't. People say that, oh, if you have like a ripped body and all, you'll feel like looking at that person.
What? Seriously?
No.
That means you gotta rip off the clothes first to see the body, right?
No, man, there are many guys who run, right? They'll run topless and whatever.
what?
They'll run.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you've seen them?
Oh, God, how many of them all
Oh
around
my
the
God.
place.
Do you ever feel sad for them and do you feel like, giving them a little bit of money for buying some clothing?
Okay, Alto Baba.
No, you don't?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, so we're asking you today, Banajan, on Savli. What did you call it today? What is the show?
Savli Sombar.
Yeah. Is complexion, what is your
Definition of beauty.
what is your definition of beauty? Or complexion क्या role play करता है उसमें?
Yes.
So 408-912-2479 पे आपको कॉल करना है. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा 4089122479.
हाँ, 408-912-2479. So, Falvani, let's start with a nice song. What do you think? What do you think about a nice song talking about the fairness, the fair maiden, right? How about that?
The Fair Maiden. Oh, yes. My God, Bollywood is obsessed with those kind of songs, right?
That's true.
Like, वो क्या गोरी तेरा गाँव बड़ा प्यारा, like those kinds. Every other song has a gori, gora, gori. That's pretty much what it is. In fact, to the extent कि मैंने सुना है that becomes like people's nicknames also.
Oh my God! Well, very true. People actually are called Gore and all stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, white one.
And let's do this, Babujan. Let's go this particular song which you're going to listen right now. I don't know if that person actually is even Gora or Gori in the particular song itself.
Yeah.
It is challenge. It is like, we can actually challenge this particular song.
Is it Zarina Wahab in that song?
Yes, you are. Is she Gori?
I think she was Gauri. But the reason reason why we also bring this up, Anjan, is because of the fact that देखो हमारे कितने सारे बॉलीवुड की हीरोइंस हैं जो you know आजकल के हीरोइंस होते हुए भी इतने सारे स्किन लाइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स करा के फिर चेंज करे हैं.
But why?
Yeah, exactly. Why do you have to lighten your skin to look pretty? उस हिसाब से तो सभी को जाके लाइपोसक्शन कराने लेना चाहिए. सभी को जाके मतलब
Hey, but according to you, Faltoni, everybody who's kind of looking good on screen have got some work done, right?
Pretty much most of them, man, including Katrina Kaif, including people who are gifted with the so-called good looks, so to speak, including Kareena Kapoor and all these people. Everybody has had their jaw reshaping done. And nose work. What is her name? That lady. एक और है ना जो अरे योगा शोगा सिखाती है, राइट? न्यूट्रिशन एंड डांस में करती है. अभी उसका नाम क्या है? अरे
शिल्पा शेट्टी.
हाँ, शिल्पा शेट्टी. Even she. Oh my God. It's like why is this obsession with beauty? तो हम आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं. आज बहुत ही sort of पेचीदा शो है. It's like convoluted and confusing कि what is beauty? What exactly is beauty? आप कैसे बोल सकते हो कि कोई सुंदर है? या is it the 36, 24, 36, or is it the 6-pack or the 8-pack abs, or is it I don't know, what is it about a person that attracts you the most? What is beauty according to you? And
or is it the combination of the black glasses on their fair skin that attracts you? Yeah.
Oh,
oh my God, but Jan, yes, Faltoni, that also could be the one. But actually, I was going to play a different kind of a song which has better beat and people actually plays a lot in the discourse and all.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's play
that. Also works. Gore Gore Mujh Pe Kala Kala Chashma also works. But I want to start the show off with this particular song which tells Kala Chashma Jastave Gore Mukde Pe.
जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटरी ना तो सोनी वे मैं फेड अप हो गई हूं मुंडिया मैं फेड अप हो गई हूं मुंडिया सुन सुन के तेरे दुखने वे मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला 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 ओ मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े ते मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े ते जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े ते
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर
मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला काला चश्मा ए काला चश्मा ओ काला 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 काला
of course, it might be 100% applicable because Katrina Kaif is fair. But why should Katrina Kaif be fair? Well, okay, you might say because the role required. No, the role didn't require anybody who is fair. But they put Katrina Kaif, so Katrina Kaif hai to care hai, right? Fair hai. Right?
Katrina Kaif hai to care hai.
So
Kya?
care nahi to Katrina Kaif hai to fair hai already, right? So the song actually fits in because I think why should have been a fair maiden in the movies? Would you only go watch a movie because of a fair heroine in it?
Exactly.
Socho, Badajan. Socho. You
Yeah.
think Kangana would have been so famous if she was not so fair?
Well, even she's had skin lightening done.
What?
Yeah.
Faltuni, where do you get this data? I think you actually have a.
Have you seen the before and after pictures of
I
Kangana or
have.
not?
She has always been fair, Faltuni.
Well, she's got work done. Sorry, my bad. Not skin lightening. She's had work done.
See, easy to just jump and jump.
Jaw reshaping kiya hai usne.
Okay, jaw reshaping is different, Faltuni, and skin lightening is different.
Okay,
Skin
whatever.
lightening is the fact that they
The
want to fit in.
obsession with the you know what, we talk so much about in this particular song today, which is true, it looks nice on her face, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is at least a description of her, but think about this particular song. There is a song in which the heroine, I'm not going to tell you who the heroine is. Let's ask you guys if you can come up with it. The heroine is dark complexion. In fact, she's a unibrow in
Wow.
that particular song. Unibrow बोले तो like दिखने में कुछ खास नहीं लगती है. उसकी
Yeah,
मम्मी
she
बहुत
didn't know.
खूबसूरत थी.
Yeah, she didn't have any kind of a threading specialist with her at the time.
I don't know, but I think she thought that was her lucky charm or whatever.
I
because
don't
she
think
was
so.
different.
Probably she didn't have them, the resources to hire a, vanity which had all the threading, vending, and everything.
Whatever. She
Beautician specialist or whatever you call beauty specialist with them.
Yes, and her eyes, of course, she has very beautiful, expressive eyes, but her eyes are not dark eyes. Like, they're not black eyes. You know what I mean? Like,
now, Faltwani, now I'm wondering now, what song is it which actually has somebody who's of a savli color complexion,
yeah.
but a song called Gori is applied onto her?
What?
Is that what he's saying?
Song called Gori is applied onto her. Yes.
Is that what he's saying, Faltwani?
Yes.
Because you seem a little bit distracted right now. So, but by the time she gets attracted, she gets more focused on what's happening in the show. Let me tell you, aaj ka show has Savli Soma. We're talking about how our Indian cinema actually has this warped notion about beauty, and that we need to challenge it. Not only in the part of them endorsing fairness creams and everything, that's different. But most importantly, Indian cinema itself actually saying that the beauty standards are this. Whether they like it or not, consciously, unconsciously, we are setting up standards of beauty, right, Faltwani?
Yeah.
By saying this particular person is good looking, we're saying how a person is like, that's the way everybody should be. The ideal look is that got to be that way, right?
Right.
So now, Faltwani, you told us about a song. Do you want a Bandhu to think of the song, or you are going to give us the song right now?
I was going to ask Bandhus to guess what song it is that I'm talking about, in which the heroine is by no standard, is she Gori, or are her eyes the way the song is described, but then they will say that that's her. Like the way the song is describing her. The whole song. In fact, it was the make or break movie for one of... it was like a very big movie for her and also for our very own King Khan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
But usme bhi, dekho, I mean, she not that she's not good looking at all. She is good looking in her own right. Lekin...
in her own right and also left also, by the way.
Yeah, but in that zamana, like, let's say, is it the 90s?
I would say, if you say in that zamana, Faltwani, I can actually take you back in time. Let's start with that if you want. I'll take you back in time, Banja, where the concept of Gora set in. Right? I'm talking about somewhere in the 50s and 40s. How about we go somewhere in the 50s, where the concept of Gora, as in even a guy being of fair complexion to be a beautiful person. Right?
Right.
That's the thing, Manajan. So here you go. Here's an example of how Indian cinema has always been programming us to say somebody who is beautiful has to be fair. Right? It starts off from the 50s, Manajan. When we got a republic, when India became a republic, from that time we actually had this concept going on. Right? Probably because of the fact that the Goras ruled over us, right? That's why they felt everybody even a guy who's fair only has got to be good looking, right?
Right.
This is a song, Father, will tell you, oh my God, really? You'll think like, oh my, what have we been doing in Indian cinema?
Right.
Right. Today is the day we're going to call them out right now. But even you can give us a call here on 408 912 247 and yega sujega. Okay?
गोरे गोरे वो बाकी छोरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो गोरी गोरी वो बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो गोरे गोरे वो बाकी छोरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो गोरी गोरी वो बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो रोज रोज मुलाकात अच्छी नहीं प्यार में ऐसी बात अच्छी नहीं थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलना थोड़ी सी जुदाई सदा चांदनी रात अच्छी नहीं छोड़ो छोड़ो जियो न तोड़ो किसी और को जला करो गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो छोटी सी बात पर ये लड़ाई प्यार की दोहाई है प्यार की दोहाई अखियों में अखियां डाल के तो देखो चेहरे से गुस्सा है दिल में सफाई घड़ी घड़ी वो बड़ी बड़ी अच्छी बातें न बनाया करो गोरी गोरी वो बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो गोरे गोरे वो बाकी छोरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो गोरी गोरी वो बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो
Yeah, but Jan, लेकिन इसमें ना फालतू नहीं. The good thing about this movie is
गोरा गोरी को बुला रहा है गोरी गोरे को
but they're portraying a role of a Gora and Gori on stage.
Yeah.
So it is not like but the hero definitely is not Gora, and I like that part about the hero. Hero was very awesome actually. You know who the hero was? The hero of the movie was
Who?
Ashok Kumar, Dada Muni.
Okay, so
He was not fair.
he was. Who said he? Oh well, actually
Yeah, right.
no.
Father, black and white. Anybody who's
yeah,
grey
yeah,
is fair. Oh my
that's true,
God.
that's true.
Oh my goodness, Father. Seriously, you thought like okay. Anyway, well, Father, I'm going to go to the next particular song right now.
Well, wait. Adwava, मैंने question पूछा था उसका.
Nobody knows the answer, Falturani. People don't know. People still think being Gora or Gori is a definition of beauty.
No, it's not.
Of course, Falturani. People have worked
Well,
their entire
but-
life to be fair.
Okay, I didn't ask about Gora or Gori. I just said, who is this particular heroine? Which song is it that we are talking about? Where you guys, we want you to call us and tell us कि ये कौन सा गाना है जहाँ पे हीरोइन बिल्कुल ऐसे लगती नहीं है लेकिन ऐसे डिस्क्राइब करके जैसे यू नो सपोज यू वर टू से गोरे रंग पे इतना ना घुमान कर एंड यू हैड somebody like I don't know Radhika Apte or somebody like you know who's dusky complexion who's not fair.
How interesting you
Are
brought
doing
this.
that.
Radhika Apte is dusky complexion, Falturani.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
She's dusky complexion.
She's not like fair and chitty, no.
No, she's not.
But anyway, she's not cast in any role where she's required to be fair, right?
Yeah, exactly. No, I'm just saying, like, for instance, where the heroine looks nothing like it, but for some reason they have to, like, praise. If I were the heroine or in that movie also, I would be like, who's he talking about? Seriously, because I don't have those kind of cheeks.
Uh-huh.
I don't have those kind of eyes. What do you...
What kind of eyes?
Like, in that he describes...
Kali, aankhe. Oh, sorry. Okay, huh. Oh my God,
but
Falturani.
it's...
People don't know Falturani. It's fine.
ठीक है.
What?
हाँ ठीक है okay.
What? हाँ ठीक है what?
तूने कहा बता दिया
तो लगा दूँ क्या गाना?
लगा दो that's fine.
What was your point actually in making this
I
song?
was asking who is that heroine and what is your take on it, and I just wanted to find out what the answer was, and you gave the answer away.
Okay, so what if you give the answer away? People enjoy the song at least, right?
ठीक है.
What do you think, Falturani?
हाँ लगा ना.
Okay, but Jan, this is a song she's talking about. I answered the question, I believe, anyway. So, doesn't matter. Enjoy कीजिएगा ये गाना in which there's no connection between the description of the song and the heroine, what she's saying.
ये काली काली आँखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल, ये काली काली आँखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल, देखा जो तुझे जानम हुआ है बुरा हाल। ये काली काली आँखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल। मैं मिला, तू मिली, तू मिली, मैं मिला, मैं मिला, तू मिली, मैं मिला, दुनिया जले तो जले, प्यार करेंगे तुझ पे मरेंगे, धक धक दिल ये करे। हाँ। तेरी दिल लगी, दिल को जलाने लगी, दिलरुबा तू मुझे नखरे दिखाने लगी। छोड़ो जी छोड़ो सनम, जिद अपनी छोड़ो सनम, नाजुक है दिल ये मेरा, दिल को ना तोड़ो सनम, दिल को ना तोड़ो सनम। ये लंबी लंबी रातें आकर ले मुलाकातें, जाने क्यों दिल ये मेरा तेरा ही होना चाहे। गुस्से में लाल ना कर ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये काली काली आँखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल। कर खटपट, कर प्यार झटपट, मेरे आजा तू टिकट, कट प्यार का टिकट, ना तू सुल पे झटक, ना तू पैर पटक, अरे ऐसे ना मटक, दिल गया है भटक। अरे ये तो मेरा दोस्त अजय है। चेहरे पे तेरे सनम लैला की है शोखियां, हीर से बढ़ के है आँखों की ये मस्तियाँ। जूलियट की तरह होंठों पे है सुर्खियाँ, देख ले खुद को तू नजर से मेरी जाने जा। देखी जो तेरी यादा मैं फिदा हो गया, सीने से लग जा जरा, जीने का आए मजा, जीने का आए मजा। ये बिखरी बिखरी जुल्फें, ये झुकी झुकी पलकें, ये गोरी गोरी बाहें, हम क्यों ना तुम्हें चाहे, ऐसा तो हमने पहले देखा नहीं कमाल, ये काली काली आंखें.
That's what Betty Chan, Kali Kali Aankhe. And of course, this is a movie. I'll tell you what, Falguni. Let me tell them. Let me give them the name of the movie.
हाँ.
They probably will know.
दो.
Yeah, दो.
दो ना मूवी का.
नाम है बाजीगर.
हाँ. तो ये गाना जो आपने सुना बता जान, think about it. What is our obsession with a certain type of beauty only?
Yeah.
ये गोरे गोरे गाल उस गाने में देखिए उसके गोरे गोरे गाल है कि नहीं?
Well, actually, if you look at Falguni, let us first do one thing. Let's also tell our bandhus the different, reality. How about we say reality or the different color skins are there in Indian diaspora or our cultural thing or from India, right?
Okay.
There's a dark skin complexion, there is a fair skin, it's stark opposite, right?
Right.
And then there's in between. There's the brown, we call them, right?
Right.
But this is actually there's a color definition for that, which is say savli.
Okay.
Today's show is called Savli Somvar because of the fact that the meaning of Savli means, correct me if I'm wrong, Falguni, you're the enlightened here, or you're
the dusky complexion.
Dusky complexion.
You have to use a Shashi Tharoor Indianism.
What is that?
Wheatish complexion.
Wheatish complexion. Okay, you could say Savli also is somebody who's a little bit darker tone of skin.
Yeah.
Right? Who's got more melatonin.
Melatonin, exactly.
Their skin
Oh.
is, how is that, Falguni? Good, huh? Nice, huh? That's exactly what it is. So that's what it is all about. And the thing is, okay, we have no issue with people saying, oh, I don't see color. You definitely will see color. I'm telling you the one thing. But what we have an issue with is the people who are the script writers or the lyricists or the filmmakers who actually cast people who are not so fair-skinned. Good. Thank you for giving the opportunity for them. But don't call them as fair.
But you know, ultimately, that's even in real life, right? Even filmon mein hi kyun? Apparently, people who are lighter complexion have a better chance at being hired, getting hooked faster. When I say good, getting hooked faster at, finding a boyfriend or getting married faster. These are people who are fairer are generally considered, or lighter complexion are supposed to be better off, apparently.
So this is something I want to tell you, Falguni, which is a reality you're right about. You brought in a very good thing. And it is discussed in many colleges and everything. People talk about it also. The thing is, we are actually in a world where, look does matter. And they say that interviews, people say like, interviews and everything, when you actually go to those places, you actually are, you judge first by the way you look. And the probability of somebody who's female and fair, they get better prospects. Yeah, than somebody who's male and fair.
For interviews?
Interviews,
yes.
Chance hi nahi hai. Oh, Falguni, please.
Women, oh God.
How many interviews have you attended, Falguni, in your life?
Quite a few.
What is your...
about 5 interviews.
What was your return? What is your, score on all the interviews? Like out of 5, how many jobs did you get?
I got all the jobs.
Exactly, Falguni, my point. So people...
Hey! That doesn't mean just because I'm fair. That's all. What nonsense?
That is a genuine thing.
I was also qualified for the job.
I'm not discounting the Falguni, but they go to qualification secondary always. That's what is the whole thing. Even now, they teach you this in schools and how you can beat that particular odd.
Oh, God.
And management schools are being taught, managers are being trained to look beyond the color, is what they're trying to say.
Terrible,
right?
terrible.
Let's go to Bandhu waiting line. Let's see. Namaskar, aapka harsh fateh Pam Pam ke Savli Somvar mein. Who's this?
Pam Pam.
Pam Pam. Vishal ji, kaise hain aap?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Very good. तो आप अपना गाना सुना आज?
गाना आज लगाया था क्या? वही मैं पूछने वाला था. आज लगाया क्या मेरा गाना?
एक चीज है फर्ज, अच्छा है क्या? सब लोग प्लीज अपना गाना भेज दो हमें. इसी बारे तो कॉल तो कर लोगे आप लोग.
हाँ, क्योंकि आपने बोला था ना कि जिस दिन मेरा गाना लगता उसी दिन मैं फोन कर दूंगा.
हाँ, इत्तेफाक. अगर आपने फोन कर समझा आपका गाना लग गया था.
मुझे नहीं पता.
अगर आपने फोन उठा लिया मतलब सब आपका गाना बच गया. ठीक है. हाँ, लेकिन बताओ आज का टॉपिक है सावली सोमवार. हैव यू एवर?
टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा है, एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है. एंड अभी जो आप बोल रहे थे कि इंटरव्यूज में ऐसा नहीं होता, मैं नहीं मानता था एक्चुअली शायद ऐसा नहीं होता होगा. बट मैंने खुद एक्चुअली पढ़ा, लोगों ने लिंक्डइन पे लिखा है. लिंक्डइन पे लिखा है कई लोगों ने कि ऐसी और जॉब पोस्टिंग के साथ भेजा है, उसमें जॉब पोस्टिंग में साफ लिखा हुआ था कि फेयर फीमेल रिसेप्शनिस्ट की जरूरत है।
What?
साफ लिखा हुआ था।
Yeah.
डिस्क्रिमिनेट, हाँ, फेयर
Yes.
फीमेल रिसेप्शनिस्ट।
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. I remember the times.
ये समझिए।
Oh,
So that was the criteria for somebody to get a job.
Correct. And if you're fair, you
तो छोड़ दो, वो सेकेंडरी भी पहले यही लिखा होता कि फेयर होना चाहिए।
yes.
Oh my God.
Father,
That's-
this actually is something which is very true. I think he brings a very light over here. Then of course, ये सब जो
it's very, I mean,
No, yeah. Do you think is this in India?
I mean, fair is unfair.
एक मिनट, LinkedIn मतलब global हो गया ना फालतू नहीं?
No, but he's talking about India, I think. It was-
No. LinkedIn पे तो global हो गया ना फालतू नहीं? Posting is global, right?
हाँ, global, हाँ, I mean, global था, मुझे ध्यान नहीं कि कहाँ पर था, but it was, yeah, I mean, and people from all over world were like, they, I mean, agreeing to it. कि उन्होंने भी at some point they have witnessed this or noticed this.
Yeah, so I kind of blame even our Indian cinema for it because partly we are the ones who gave us the definition of beauty means somebody is fair.
No, it's not on Indian cinema.
तो
Hello.
जरूरी नहीं है, फैमिली सलोनी भी है, I mean, वो भी that is also beauty.
मुझे आप ना ढूंढ के 1 या 3 गाने बोल दीजिएगा जिसमें सावली का रेफरेंस हो।
एक गाना.
दूसरा गाना?
हाँ, बट वैसे अगर गोरी बोलो तो गोरी तो लड़की को भी गोरी बोल देते हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि वो गोरी होनी
हाँ,
चाहिए।
लड़कियों को क्यों गोरी बोलते हैं?
हाँ.
Why don't they say something else for
True
लड़की?
that. True.
राइट सोचो कितने कम गाने बने हैं, हमें ही टाइम लगा सावली कलर के ऊपर गाने ढूंढने में
हाँ.
एंड 1 या 2 मैक्सिमम।
वो भी है, I mean, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि बॉलीवुड को दोष मत दो। It's not from today. You only proved it 50s पे चल रहा है, उसके पहले भी चल रहा होगा, we don't know.
Correct.
50s में तो ये prove हो गया था।
करेक्ट, वेरी ट्रू।
तो आप एक बताइए विशाल जी कि आपके हिसाब से आप क्या I mean what appeals to you?
हाँ, what is beauty according to you?
Now don't say that it's got to be like see,
No
to know
internal beauty.
somebody's personality you'll have to get to know them, right?
Yes.
तो generally आपको क्या मतलब what is it that attracts you?
हाँ,
I mean not saying it in a bad way attraction like male to female.
somebody
It could be a
who would you call as good looking?
yeah.
Without any kind of don't have to say oh the person has a good heart, no, all those things, just that look at them and say
Yeah, you don't know that person. Let's say you're meeting somebody for the first time and you don't know that person really.
Yeah, I mean, सबसे पहले तो I mean, तो नहीं जानती हो, but face का बनावट अच्छी है. I mean, that's only first thing. If you don't know somebody, so you will only look at जो आपको दिख रहा है, right? तो वो कैसा है, वो सुंदर है. I mean, सुंदर means कि कलर से कोई मतलब नहीं है. I mean, it can be like the shape of the eyes or lips or whatever, right?
Yeah.
और फिर उसके बाद और कई लोग बहुत देखने में बहुत सुंदर होते हैं, गोरे होते हैं, बहुत अट्रैक्टिव होते हैं. एंड जैसे ही वो मुंह खोलते हैं तो बस ओके
बस टिक क्या होता है इसीलिए। अच्छा, तो आप बोल रहे हैं कि आपने कुछ रेफरेंस किया. आई लाइक दैट यू सेड लाइक चेहरा देखते हैं, चेहरे में क्या है जो okay fine, if you say you don't look at color I understand, but what do you see as when you say chehra mein, you look at the eyes, like the nose, what do you look for?
I mean
yeah, eyes, nose, yeah, मैंने बोल दिया ना, eyes,
features.
तो आपके चेहरे के फीचर्स में से आप वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. इनफैक्ट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट.
ज्योति जी से पूछो.
ज्योति जी आपका क्या राय है, आप बताइए. हिशील से वो विशाल जी इज ब्यूटीफुल. ज्योति जी का आंसर मालूम है. विशाल ज्योति जी लाइक टोटली हेड ओवर हील्स इन लव विद विशाल जी.
Oh my God.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, वो बोलेगी.
हाँ बोलो ज्योति जी, आपके हिसाब से
किसी इंसान को देखते हैं तो सबसे पहले उनका पर्सनालिटी एंड उनका चेहरा पूरा नजर आता है, तो उस हिसाब से हम जज करते हैं विदाउट नोइंग कि ये पर्सन कैसा है. और कोई पर्सन हमें अच्छा भी लगने लगता है कोई।
तो पर्सनालिटी निकाल दो, चेहरे में क्या?
इसका रूप रंग से कोई मतलब नहीं है, लाइक
हाँ ठीक है, एक मिनट
कलर से, हाँ कलर से इतना नहीं है।
ज्योति जी एक मिनट, ज्योति जी एक मिनट, ज्योति जी एक मिनट, आई वांट आस्क।
फालतू रानी के बगल में है, उसको तो हम दोस्ती कर देंगे।
मेरे से अच्छा नहीं, मुझे मालूम है। तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था, आपने बोला पर्सनालिटी देख नहीं सकते हम लोग चेहरे में।
क्वेश्चन जैसा आपकी बाजू में बैठा हुआ है उससे तो फिर दोस्ती नहीं करते ना।
हाँ, बस प्यार करो।
लेकिन उसका रूप भी अच्छा है।
नहीं वो पूछा नहीं हमने।
कह रहा हूँ कि कलर को अगर हम देखते तो
नहीं आप छोड़ो, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ हमारा शो समटाइम्स गो इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, भी फेयरनेस होते तब, बट आई बी फेयर एज एन FAIR एज एन एवरीथिंग फाइन। नहीं ज्योति जी आपने ठीक बताया नहीं, आपने क्या आप चेहरे पे फीचर्स देखते हो, करेक्ट?
चेहरे पे क्या देखते हो वही पूछते
चेहरे पे क्या देखती हूँ,
मुँह हाथ से मत बोलना।
मतलब क्या आप देखते हो कि
बॉडी में क्या देखते हो?
आंखें अच्छी है उसकी,
लंबा चौड़ा
बॉडी देखते हैं।
नहीं मतलब पूरी पर्सनालिटी ऑल ओवर, हाउ ही व्हाट ही ड्रेस्ड अप,
वी शेप
ऑल
बॉडी,
ओवर,
6 पैक एब्स, शोले शोले।
कपड़े कैसे पहने हुए हैं उसने, ये भी होता है ना,
अरे वाह।
हाउ समबडी इज कैरिंग,
वाह,
क्योंकि उसने पहना हुआ है।
आई लाइक इट, I like it because see,
all over, how he is dressed up, how he is,
कई लोग डैशिंग दिखने के चक्कर में पहन लेते हैं तो फिर वो अजीब ही लगता है।
very good. Hey, very good. So here's what I like about what you said just now. It's very interesting and I like it because beauty definition is very varied. It can't be just on colors, right?
Correct.
Color of skin, basically. And thank you so much for calling.
Somebody carries themselves, right? That's most
yeah,
important.
most important.
Yes, and also one thing he actually talked about, Faltwani, Vishalji is the only person who talked about it, I suppose. He said what's important also is dental health.
डेंटल के बारे में बात मत करो, मैं I can't talk.
Okay, fine, ठीक है, I can talk about it anyways. But thank you so much for calling in, Jyoti ji and Vishal ji. आप सुनते रहिएगा. We have more songs coming in the next hour for sure. Probably Faltwani कल्टी मारेगी, लेकिन I'll be there for you guys for sure. Okay?
ये कल्टी नहीं मारूंगी.
Thank you so much.
हाँ, तुम लोगों को इसको कंपनी रखना पड़ेगा. मेरे को एक इम्पोर्टेंट स्कूल डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाला मीटिंग
कुछ
है
नहीं
यार,
फालतूनी,
तो-
क्या यार, तू कल्टी मार भैया, doesn't matter. ऐसे excuse मार के जाती है because कलर का गोरी है इसीलिए everything twice
ऐसे
for.
कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ, हम सबको मालूम है फालतूनी, doesn't matter. Okay, thank you so much, Shaji. आप सुनते रहिएगा. Thank you so much for calling in also. And of course, बच्चे number to call you is 4089122479 408-212-247 फालतूनी कुछ बोलना चाहती है?
मैं तुमसे पूछना चाहती हूँ आलतू बाबा जाने से पहले, क्योंकि हमारे बंधुओं को तो कुछ भी कॉन्वल्यूट करके कुछ भी आंसर दे देगा.
हाँ.
तेरे को क्या जचता है एक पर्सन में? मुझे मालूम है एक चीज है कि वो पतली होनी चाहिए, ऐसी होनी चाहिए, 36, 24, 36 लंबी होनी चाहिए, वो सब है ना तुम्हारे दिमाग में? तेरा क्या है? लेकिन ये बता, what attracts you? अभी ये मत बोल कि
जैसा तू
दिल
बोल
की
रही है, पतली वितली कतली सब चली जाएगी, right? The point is, it's not that at all, right? It's not that at all. Beauty is not about being patli, being tall, being short, you know, or for the matter being fair, being dark.
अच्छा, then how? What attracts you? You don't give me generic answer.
I will not give generic answer. I have a scientific answer for Faltwani.
What is it,
And the
Arthur?
reply to you is 1.6.
What is 1.6?
So the definition of beauty, there's something called beauty ratio. Okay, Dr. Smith, this guy, she made a study on what people find as beautiful.
Huh.
It's called the 1.6 ratio for facial features.
Wow.
So basically facial symmetry बोलते हैं उसको. And actually if you look at it, right, we think symmetry is beautiful. I challenge even that also, by the way.
Facial symmetry 1.6.
1.6. The ratio is 1.6. So basically your face width should be your face height if it is 1.5 times the width of your face.
Huh?
Yes.
Your face?
Should be 1.5. Your face height should be 1.5 times the width of your face. Your height of length of your face, like ऊपर से नीचे, right?
Huh.
From your chin to your forehead, माथे तक. That should be 1.5 times your width of your face. In my case, it's a perfect round.
Mine's a heart.
Yours are
Or
hard.
round,
That's
whatever
very
you
good.
can call
Well, it's the golden ratio is 1.6.
So you think that attracts you?
Well, that attracts anybody and everybody for the matter. If you
No,
look at
not
it.
necessarily.
What?
Not necessarily. For me, I don't look at it. इसका क्या 1.5 times है?
It is automatic, Faltwani. It's automatic.
Huh?
It's automatic. Our mind is very good at mathematics, Faltwani. 1:6 ratio is what the actual
So
magic number
you're
is.
saying that Mona Lisa, the frame, right?
1:6 ratio. Yes, measure it up.
I don't find it pretty at all.
It is not pretty.
I don't find it attractive.
Because her eyebrows fell over a period of time. Why am I talking so much about right now, Faltwani? The break already right now.
Oh, sorry. I just wanted to ask you that question. But anyway, we're going to go into a quick top of the hour break, Panchan. But we'll come back and we will talk a little bit more on Savli Somar right here on the Pam Pam Show. Kahin mat jayega, yahi pe tige rahiyega.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
ज़माना कहे सुन लो, ये पापा मस्ताना, ये सारा ज़माना। खुशियाँ भी साथ लाए,
हर मर्ज की दवाएं,
हर दर्द भी मिटाए।
महिमा से हमने सीखा
जीने का ये तरीका,
जी भर के मुस्कुराना,
दिल खोल के गुनगुनाना। सीख लो बंद जा, सारा ज़माना हॉटीज का दीवाना। ज़माना कहे सुन लो, ये पापा मस्ताना, ये सारा ज़माना हॉटीज का दीवाना। ज़माना कहे सुन लो, ये पापा मस्ताना, पापा पापा pam 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 सारा ज़माना।
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा।
डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हर चीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के हंसना हंसा, रेडियो के डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हर चीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के हंस लो हंसा। ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 पापा, an evening with पापा।
सीने से हमको लगा लो,
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो, ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है, बिहार का साथी बना।
सीने से हमको लगा लो,
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो, ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है, बिहार को साथी बना लो। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। और तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 पापा, an evening with पापा। हाथों में स्टीयरिंग को थामो,
खुशी हो या गम मुस्कुरा लो,
स्पीकर पे इनको लगा लो, ड्राइव टाइम का फन आजमा लो। हाथों में स्टीयरिंग को थामो,
खुशी हो या गम मुस्कुरा लो,
स्पीकर पे इनको लगा लो, ड्राइव टाइम का फन आजमा लो। ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 बंधु, an evening with पापा। ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. Bam, bam. Bye-bye. नमस्कार
नमस्ते
नमस्कार
वणक्कम
खुशामदीद
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
सत श्री अकाल
మీకు అందరికీ వందనము
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जनेन्द्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंधुओं को बोलेंगे नीसा अम्बला बड़जान। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे माई सिर्फ फालतू बाबा
and of course myself Faltu Rani.
And आज का शो है सावली सोमवार, जहाँ पे we're talking about our Indian cinema's obsession with the fair-skinned people.
Yes.
You know, I really felt it's so unfair, right?
Or just the obsession with fair complexion.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Not people also. They'll just say even non-fair people will be called fair skin.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And I think, like I said, they don't have the vernacular to have or the words of somebody who describes somebody who's dark skinned or
Yeah.
the dusk. There is a word, very nice word called savli. Why?
Savli.
There's a very nice.
Savli.
फालतू नहीं. अच्छा तेरा कीड़ा है ना निकाल
नहीं,
निकाल.
नहीं,
तो गा दे
नहीं,
तू. तेरा
नहीं,
कीड़ा
वो-
निकल रहा है बेटी. गा दे तू. गा. गा दे.
बोल
गा
रहा
रे.
बोल रहा
माइक के पास के गा दे तू.
नहीं गाऊंगी.
गा वरना बुरा मान जाएंगे सब लोग.
नहीं
तू
गाऊंगी.
कुछ स्टार्ट कर दी गाना. गा ले.
नहीं गाऊंगी. तू गा.
They can't hear you फालतू नहीं.
तू बात कर.
तू पास आके बात कर बुरा मान के देखा. बुरा मान के फालतू नहीं.
हाँ.
इतना ईगो अच्छा नहीं है फालतू नहीं.
ईगो.
मेरे से कुछ तो कुछ सीखना फालतू नहीं. हाँ एनीवे बंदजन ये फालतू नहीं ऐसे ईगो मारती रहती जब देखो उसका तो टॉप ऑफ हैट क्या ना गोरी ना तो कभी कभार बनती है उसका यार.
क्या?
हाँ
What
that is not a privilege you took just of being angry.
BS.
No?
That is so nonsensical.
Oh really? Ah, whatever फालतू नहीं. हाँ सबको मालूम है फालतू नहीं. The point is बंदजन right now we're talking about our obsession of Indian cinema with the fair skin complexion. Now it is so evident there are lesser songs. Oh फालतू नहीं चली गई. इतना गुस्सा माय गॉड ने मेरे पर. ओह माय गॉड चली गई. अच्छा वैसे होता है यहाँ पे ईगो टसल होती है फालतू की तरफ से बिकॉज उसको तो बुरा नहीं जाता कोई उसको कुछ और बोल दिया तो बट डजंट मैटर जब वापस आएगी उसके बारे में और बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. एंड लेट्स टुडे गो इनटू आवर थीम. थीम टुडे सावली एंड सावली सोमवार मतलब वी टॉकिंग अबाउट इवन दो हीरोइंस आर सावली कॉम्प्लेक्शन there is always song describing the fair complexion as opposed to their actual complexion. मिसाल के तौर पे हमने प्ले किया था बिफोर वी वेंट टू द ब्रेक सॉन्ग फॉर द मूवी बाजीगर राइट ना. अभी एक गाना लगाऊंगा आपको बोलना पड़ेगा इस गाने में जो गोरी की रेफर कर रहे हैं कौन है राइट. हु इज दिस पर्सन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग वेयर दे डिस्क्राइबिंग गोरी राइट. गोरी को डिस्क्राइब करे लेकिन एक्चुअली ऑन स्क्रीन इज नॉट सो गोरी राइट. हु इज पर्सन नॉट एज इन गोरी एज इन अगली गोरी. Gori as in fairness, right? Ready, Faltani?
Okay.
You think people know this answer?
I think this. I think I know what's this heroine also got skin lightening done big time.
Okay. Anybody who requires to know any data on who has done what, who has gotten what done, please contact Faltani. She seems to be having even the billings of all those people.
Yes, she has definitely gotten skin lightening done.
Okay, so let's go and listen to the song. And people call us on the phone number 408-912-2479 and tell us who this particular person is who's being called a Gori on screen. But on screen you know she's not Gori.
Yes, exactly.
Look at other parts of the body. I think Faltani people already know this is such a famous song, huh?
Yeah?
Seriously, people are already calling in right now.
Really? Without even playing the song.
I know, it's like, people know this song already.
क्या बात कर रहा है? Seriously, आलतू बाबा?
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के सावली सोमवार में. Who's this? Hello?
नमस्कार, मैं रंजीत भाटिया बोल रहा हूँ.
रंजीत
Hello,
भाटिया जी.
sir. कैसे हैं?
कैसे हैं सर?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हैं. तो पहले तो आपके दिमाग को दाद देना पड़ेगी कि आप इतने बढ़िया बढ़िया टॉपिक कहाँ से छाट छाट कर लाते हो.
हाय 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 हाय. सर आप तो बहुत काइंड हो सर. वेरी काइंड टू अस एक्चुअली. थैंक यू
मतलब मेरे को लगता है आप तो वो बहुत अभ्यास करते हो फिर मतलब कोई चीज रिपीट हो नहीं पाती और फिर नई नई चीजें लेकर आते हो.
थैंक यू सर. लेकिन ये एक्चुअली आपसे पूछना मांगता है बिकॉज यू आर अ शायर योरसेल्फ. तो लेट मी आस्क यू जब आप लिखते हो हैव यू एवर रिटन अबाउट सावली कॉम्प्लेक्शन ब्यूटी in your time and पूरे whatever you written in your whole works कोई याद है जहाँ पे आपने कुछ सावली कॉम्प्लेक्शन और have you written anything about beauty as a whole कोई ऐसा कुछ
आप नेचर के बारे में लिखते हैं वो जानते हैं.
हाँ.
लेकिन आपने कभी श्रृंगार रस में कुछ लिखा हो?
हाँ,
तो जैसे
श्रृंगार रस में आजकल नहीं लिखता, पहले लिखता था.
हाँ,
पहले लिखते
तो
थे. हाँ.
देखो ऐसा ब्यूटी तो देखने वालों की आंखों में होती है.
करेक्ट. हाँ ठीक है.
तो कुछ फिल्में भी ऐसी देखी थी पहले. जैसे एक फिल्म थी सूरत और सीरत.
हाँ ओके.
आपने शायद देखी हो. नूतन का डबल रोल था उसमें.
नॉट सो लकी.
हाँ जी. और एक बहुत पुरानी मूवी थी नवरंग.
हाँ नवरंग.
तो नवरंग में पूरी फिल्म में उसकी वाइफ बहुत खूबसूरत रहती लेकिन वो वाइफ को ही प्रेमिका की कल्पना करके उसके बारे में कविताएं लिखता है, गाने लिखता है.
That's an epic movie. Yes.
हाँ जी. तो उसी में गाना था श्यामल श्यामल वरन कोमल कोमल बदन.
लेकिन
तो हालांकि वो गोरी होती है, लेकिन उसको श्यामल श्यामल वर्ण बोलता है।
हाँ, डस्की, यस,
ये गाना था उसमें।
वेरी गुड। हाँ। लेकिन आप
तो एक फिल्म थी अपना क्या बोलते, जिंदगी फिल्म थी, उसमें एक ही गाने में उसको गोरी भी बोलता है, सांवली भी बोलता है। वो गाना है, पहले मिले थे सपनों में और आज सामने पाया, हाय कुर्बान जाऊं, गोरे बदन पे काला आंचल और रंग ले आया, हाय कुर्बान जाऊं। और फिर आगे एक लाइन है, हे सांवली हसीना दिल तूने मेरा छीना।
हाय हाय हाय। दिस इज अ मूवी विद राजकुमार,
राजेंद्र कुमार एंड वैजंतीमाला।
ओके, वैजंतीमाला, हाँ, यस यस।
वो सांवली नहीं थी ना वैजंतीमाला, इतनी गोरी थी। हाँ,
शी वाज
गोरी है,
जो भी था, लेकिन गाने में उसके बोल ऐसे थे।
हाँ।
तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया कि अब एक चीज बोल ले, या तो सांवली बोल ले या गोरी बोल ले।
हाँ, करेक्ट,
सही बात है। लेकिन आप बताओ, आपकी पर्सनल हिस्ट्री में क्या आपने कभी व्हाट डू यू कंसीडर टू बी एज गुड लुक्स?
गुड लुक्स देखो, जो आपकी आंखों को जो अच्छा लगे वो खूबसूरत है, रंग से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
रंग से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपकी आंखों को। तो आपकी आंखों को कौन सा क्या अच्छा लगता है?
क्या अच्छा लगता है? अपनी आंखों में खूबसूरती होती है। कोई खूबसूरत बच्चा है, गोरा है, काला है, सांवला है, कैसा भी है, ये कोई भी व्यक्ति है आपके आसपास, जो कुछ उसमें हर इंसान को ईश्वर ने कोई ना कोई एक खूबसूरत चीज तो जरूर दी है जो सबको अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करती है।
Okay. I will take the answer.
आपने बहुत ही डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर दे दिया।
हाँ, डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर दे दिया, तो अभी हम लोग को ट्रैप भी नहीं कर सकते अभी। हाँ, बिकॉज़ उन्होंने ऐसे गाने भी दे दिए जहाँ पे there's a talk of the dusky beauty also.
Yeah.
Very good, sir. Thank you so much, Ranjit Saab. And yes, that's a beautiful song you talked about. Shamal, something like that. How does the song go?
नवरंग फिल्म का ये गाना मेरे ख्याल से काफी टाइम से रेडियो पे कभी बजा भी नहीं है, तो अगर आपका टाइम हो तो लगा दूंगा।
अरे सर, आपका हुक्म सर आंखों पर लग जाएगा सर।
बिल्कुल लगा देंगे। लेकिन आप सच्ची में बोलो ना, अगर आप किसी को देखते हो तो आकर्षित मतलब आप उनको जानते नहीं हो या पहली बार मिल रहे हो उनसे, तो आपको क्या लगता है? I mean, क्या देखते हो आप?
हाँ, what do you see? First thing.
मतलब not that you. हाँ,
देखो, मैंने वही बताया ना कि उसमें अट्रैक्शन कोई चीज ऐसी होती है जो इंसान उसकी तरफ खींचता है। तो कोई भी चीज हो कुदरत की, तो जो उसमें अट्रैक्शन होता है वो अपनी आंखों में होता है, तो आप उसकी तरफ खींचते हो। जिसे बोलते हैं ना सम्मोहित करना।
तो आप
इंसान सम्मोहित हो जाता है।
तो क्या सभी में ऐसा होता है?
ये सभी में ऐसा नहीं होता, किसी में होता है।
हाँ, कुछ लोगों में ऐसा होता है कि बाप रे, वहीं से कट ले।
उसको फिर ऐसा है कि आप वो मतलब देखना ही नहीं चाहते ना, आपकी नजरें उसको देखना ही नहीं चाहती। आप सोचते भी चलो इससे अपने को क्या लेना देना।
सर, मैं आपको कुछ एक पूछूं तो आप बुरा मत मानिएगा। आई वांट टू जस्ट आस्क यू सो आप बंधु अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड अगर हो सके तो इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड इन एक्सप्लेनिंग इट। अगर आप बोल रहे हैं कि द ब्यूटी लाइज इन द आई ऑफ द बिहोल्डर, राइट, जो आपने हिंदी में बताया था, राइट, एंड मैं क्या पूछा था, अगर हमने अपने नजरिए को खूबसूरत किया तो क्या जो भी देखे खूबसूरत बन सकता है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
Suppose you say everything I see is going to be beautiful. I see in a very nice.
या उसमें पूरी, जैसे कोई किसी ने पेंटिंग बनाई है तो उसमें आप एग्जीबिशन में गए, वहाँ बहुत सारी पेंटिंग लगी, आपको 2-4 पसंद आ गई, एक नहीं पसंद आई, पर लेकिन फिर भी उसमें कुछ एक चीज तो जरूर होगी जो उसको खूबसूरती बढ़ाती होगी।
हाँ, मैंने बताया कि नहीं, अगर हमने अपने नजरिया को चेंज किया और वी डिडंट सब्सक्राइब टू एनी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ ब्यूटी, कि हाँ ये कलर ब्यूटीफुल है, वो कॉम्बिनेशन ब्यूटीफुल है, उसको छोड़ दे, और हमारे नजरिया में हमने बोला कि जो भी हम देखें खूबसूरत है, तो विल दैट चेंज एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड?
या जैसे अब मतलब किसी को आप बहुत सजेशन दे सकते, पर कभी सामने वाला बुरा मान जाए कि भाई तू ऐसी हेयर स्टाइल बना ले, या तेरा माथा बड़ा है तो बालों को थोड़ा छोटा कर ले, जैसे साधना ने किया था। तो उसमें थोड़ा चेंज करके तो उसको और खूबसूरत बना सकते हैं।
बिकॉज हमारे फालतू ने मुझे पिछले ओवर में बहुत संगीन क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया। एक्चुअली ब्रेक पे थे तो काफी सारे लोग जो रेडियो पे सुन रहे थे कुड नॉट हियर इट। शी आस्क्ड मी उल्टा कि क्या व्हाट इज ब्यूटी फॉर यू? मैंने बोला अरे मेरा ब्यूटी है मेरे नजरिया।
कुछ तो भी रेशियो बोला, 1.5
मैंने 1.6 रेशियो 1:6 रेशियो बोला, जहाँ पे इट वाज जस्ट
साइंटिफिक गुड आंसर।
नजरिया नहीं बोला सर, 1.6 बोला उसने।
मैंने बोला कि
नजरिया कुछ नहीं बोला।
मैंने बोला there's a universal standard, there's a universal world standard which says that beauty is measured by the measurement of your face. तो जो अगर your length of your face is 1.5 times the width of your face, तो ये देखा जाए तो हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा में जो भी पहले आते थे, they used to always have a big face. It would look nice on screen.
फिल्म का डायलॉग है ना, वो राजेश खन्ना की फिल्म सफर थी या पता नहीं आनंद थी, वो दोनों हीरो हीरोइन समुद्र के किनारे बैठे रहते हैं, तो बातें करते हैं, तो वो बोलता है कि कितना खूबसूरत समुंदर है। वो बोलता है, दूसरा उसका दोस्त बोलता है कि समुद्र के किनारे आया तो रोमांटिक बातें कर, मुझे समुद्र खूबसूरत लग रहा है, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे किसी बच्चे की नाक बह रही है। तो ऐसा है कि वो अपना अपना देखने का वो है, और फिर दूसरा है कि सिचुएशन की बात है, टाइम की बात है, राइट।
कल सही बात है ना, इसीलिए मैं आई डिड नॉट गिव दिस आंसर टू फाल्तुनी बिकॉज़ फाल्तुनी के समझ से बाहर है वो, लेकिन आप समझ गए। थैंक यू सो मच। क्या मैंने बोला,
फाल्तुनी बहुत समझदार है, ऐसे मत बोलो।
हाँ, बहुत शातिर है, मुझे मालूम है। क्या शातिर
नहीं, समझदार, बहुत सब समझती है।
थैंक यू सर। ये बस ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ बोलता रहेगा।
कुछ लोग दास समझे, ये माँ समझे। ये
वो क्या है ना, मेरी खूबसूरती इसमें है कि मैं ये सुनती हूँ, ऐसे छोड़ देती हूँ, कुछ बोलती नहीं हूँ, बस
बस तेरी बोलती बंद हो जाती है।
मेरी सहनशीलता बहुत बढ़ गई है आलतू बाबा के साथ रह
क्या मेरे साथ रह रहे कि मैं आगे करके उसका बोलती बंद हो गई है, बोल रही है।
हाँ, सहनशीलता।
एनीवे
बोलने का कोई फायदा नहीं है।
ठीक है फाल्तू, तू भी खूबसूरत है, चल ओके।
चलो, जो भी करते हो आप, बोलते जो भी करते हो दोनों बोलते, लेकिन सब सुनने वालों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
थैंक यू सो मच जित साहब, सुनते रहेंगे ना। आपका रिक्वेस्ट का गाना अभी लगाने वाला हूँ, आप लोग आपके लिए सुनिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा, ठीक है।
थैंक यू सो मच
एंड ऑफ कोर्स
एक मिनट
बोल
उससे पहले मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, फेसबुक पे काफी सारे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं।
क्या है कि मैं
जिनको फोनोफोबिया है वो लोग लगा रहे हैं फेसबुक पे कि हाँ फालतू रानी अच्छा सवाल पूछा, आलतू बाबा का डेफिनेशन क्या है। और फिर कहती हैं कि फेशियल फीचर्स एंड लुक्स होल्ड वैल्यू फॉर वेरी लेस टाइम है।
नहीं, in a way she is right, whoever the person is.
It is Deepa,
you're right. It rolls very less because eventually it'll go off, right? Yes, that's why I said Nazariya. My Nazariya never changes. You're going to be beautiful now, you're going to be beautiful after 10 years also.
But Meenakshi ji is also saying that 95% of India is obsessed with the fair complexion.
I agree with you because 99% of songs are written about fair complexion. Whether you like it or not, Indian cinema actually has an impact on our day-to-day life. Day-to-day decision making.
Wow.
We all want to have the Shilpa Shetty, yoga stretching personality in our lives.
Excuse
it doesn't happen
me?
that way. Yeah.
Oh, so you're saying that's what I said. Some people like the light. What do you call the lit? What do you call, like very very slim?
That is the media definition of beauty, Faltoni. I'm trying to tell you that, right? That's what I'm trying to tell you. We all feel that way, but this isn't reality. That's not reality, right? That's all fake. You should understand that part of it.
Really?
And yes, let me tell you one thing. What's important is being healthy. Healthy is important. Now we'll talk about जैसे हम लोग अपने शो के एंड तक आएंगे, हम लोग का अपना पूरा शो का सारांश बता देंगे आप लोगों को। लेकिन अभी के लिए I was going to talk about फाल्तुनी. Thank you so much for reading out the message on Facebook. आप कॉल कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। क्यों यार? What is the thing with phonophobia? It's a real big concern for us. Phonophobia is a epidemic. Yes. Let it not become a pandemic. Yes, please.
Yes.
This is something which actually you have a phobia to call people.
Yeah.
Like it's a phobia to actually to disconnect from people things you love.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that, Manajan. So pick up the phone, start dialing in 408-912-2479 to beat phonophobia. We're going to do a special movement for that, of course. If you already are suffering phonophobia, we understand. एक बार call करो and we'll make sure we give you dosage. थोड़ा extra dosage दे देंगे आपको प्यार का, ताकि आप बार-बार हमें call कर सके. And call करने का number है 408-912-2479. फिलहाल number है 408-912-2479 408-912-2479.
मैं ना कुछ और करने से पहले एक हमारे बंधु को बहुत बड़ा शॉट आउट देना चाहती हूँ।
दे दे।
हमारे बंधु रुचित रानी जी, जिनको पता चला कि Amazon Prime Pay. What is it called? Amazon Smile Pay. Pragnya is a charity that you can choose as a charity of your choice.
Yes.
तो उन्होंने मालूम है क्या अल्तु बाबा?
I have no idea.
उन्होंने पूरा उनका जो business का जो purchases जो भी order करते हैं,
Wow.
वो Amazon Prime, Amazon Smile पे डाल दिया, which is through Pragnya. So
thank you so much.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, Ruchit Rani Saab, for choosing Pragnya as your non-profit. Truly, these times have affected us big time, because typically Pragnya, we used to do a lot of events and fundraisers and a lot of things, but since everything is virtual and all the families are struggling right now, and everybody is struggling, although Pragnya has doubled the number of activities that we do for our individuals who are neurodiverse and also for our allies. Right now, Pragnya is completely run purely on voluntary donations from bandhus like you. So please do go ahead and try to see in whatever way possible if you can recommend us for a grant from your company, or if you can...
If you want to recommend, if you do a donation, you can actually ask for your company to match, because there's also going to be 1:1 match in many companies right now.
Yeah.
Go check it out for sure. Give us, share information with us. If you want to know more information from us also, you can send us a message over here on Facebook, Radio D Hotties, or go to the webpage pragnya.org and get information there. But again, Father Rani, thank you so much for that message, and yes, thank you Ruchit Rani Saab for doing that. And let's do one thing, Father Rani. Before we go into the next song, I have Bandhu waiting in line. Can you go to them, please?
Let's go. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के सावली सोमवार में. कौन है जी?
Hello.
हाँ पैम पैम.
अरे
मुझे अभी नहीं है.
अरे वाह, Gauri from Mountain House.
Gauri from Mountain House.
हाँ,
Yes.
गौरी अरे तेरा फोन आ गया रे.
हाँ बोलो दीपा जी क्या? हाँ
क्या अच्छा टॉपिक है. वही this fascination for color सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, पूरे दुनिया में. That's the problem.
Have you ever noticed it? Let me ask you one thing. It's going to be a very controversial question. You will not like me for this, but anyway, I love you anyways. The point I'm going to ask is, have you noticed, you being a fair girl, have you noticed a privileged or a different way people have treated you, as opposed to some of your friends or contacts, Such bolo.
नहीं वैसे नहीं, but I have been commented on, like सीधे मुंह पे बोलते हैं, अरे कितनी गोरी है यार, क्या करती है.
Have you seen, like that. Have you seen some of the privileges you have got because of your nature given or God given complexion? When you were young, now
मेरे मतलब मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है, लेकिन ऐसे बोलते हैं वो कमेंट जो करते हैं, मतलब ऐसे like as if it's some crime or whatever. I did something particular to get this complexion. So समझाना पड़ता है कि ऐसा नहीं है बाबा. By birth है, but some people I think they want to justify themselves.
No, I want you to think a little deeper right now. I'm going to ask the same question to even Faltoni, because she also supposedly fair complexion. So even when you go to a particular place, even if you go to let's say a coffee shop, a barista, or not here in India, whatever it is, they would give you first preference, look at you and ask you your order. That's simple things. Has it ever happened to you? You attract people's attention immediately. Has it ever happened? You must have.
You're asking me or you're asking Deepa?
I'm asking Deepa. Let's see Deepa is honest na. Let's see.
What?
Deepa सच बोलो, because
ऐसा नहीं हुआ, ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगा.
लगा नहीं, okay.
मुझे तो नहीं लगा.
लगा नहीं. So she has not actually sensed it. So what do you, Faltoni? Have you sensed it?
I have sensed it.
Like, have they given you additional, like, your group of friends and they look at you and take the order from you?
It's not like that. My group of friends will get priority because...
No, please. That means you're actually not seeing what you're actually...
No, they do that. Like, for instance, even in a temple, right, they'll be giving prasad, right? Suddenly they'll call, it's ridiculous.
They call you?
Yeah, they'll call and they'll put the tika, like, and then they'll give the prasad to me.
Advertising.
And it's so embarrassing, actually.
Has it happened to you, Deepa?
Yeah. I mean, sometimes I feel it कि अभी देखो कहीं मैं कुछ अटेंड कर रही हूँ, some seminar, whatever, any like group discussion, तो जो बंदा या बंदी they are giving the बोल रहे हैं ना, ज्यादातर मुझे ही देख के बोल रहे हैं, तो मुझे बाकी लोगों को I feel like inside, अरे मुझे ही क्यों देख रहा है बाबा, ये बाकी लोग भी है इधर. Why he is looking at me only and telling the thing.
So let me tell you why.
मैं नीचे देख देती हूँ, I look somewhere else. Then he will look at the he or her will look at somewhere else. Like,
so let me tell you.
something
Let
like
me
that.
tell you why I asked the question. Okay, it's very important for us to be aware of the privileges that we have, and also recognize the privileges that is lacking in other people.
Right.
So, aap dono actually very good. You actually are able to see it, because once you see it, you will know there's a lot of unfairness going on.
Yeah.
When it comes to your the privilege that you have, you've been given a nature. Nature's given you a certain complex. It's not under your control, right? Probably it is, but
Yeah.
you were born fair, I suppose. Not many people are that way, but unfortunately, that's good thing you actually have noticed it. Many people who are not fair will see it more clearly,
Yeah.
as opposed to what you would see it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
But thank
exactly.
you so much.
What you are saying, acha point bola Alto Baba.
Yeah.
Like, it's not easy for fair girls also sometimes.
Correct.
That's what I'm saying.
Correct. And also,
Yeah.
we as responsible citizens of the globe, we should actually make sure our next generation understands not to see it that way, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We don't want them to
Correct.
focus only on somebody who's like, fair, to be good looking or whatever.
Wait, so let's
Yeah.
ask Deepa. What is it that attracts you, Deepa? We're not talking about, we're only talking about first impressions. Let's say you meet somebody for the very first, you met us for the very first time. So, let's say, what is it that attracts you?
She'll say your face. Sir.
No, really, no, then it's somebody else. Okay.
I would say the चार वही मैं बोल रही थी ना.
Then
I
that's me
commented
then.
on the same thing. I mean, even like if you some people if they're like white, वो pale रहता है, like expressionless. That's what attracts me. How the eyes, the main thing is eyes.
Eyes.
And
Okay,
the
nice.
smile. Yeah,
Eyes and the
eyes.
oh, nice.
The twinkles.
First person talking
Yeah.
about smile, Faltwani.
Yes, I know. I was waiting for somebody to say that.
But
Seriously.
sometimes, Faltwani, I think smile also, not everybody is gifted, like, to have nice pearly teeth. Some people have, like, teeth like me.
Adate, so what? Even I have Adatera teeth.
Yeah, but it's not every time it's...
No, but smile also shows a lot of confidence also, Baba. कि it doesn't matter. मतलब हर एक का अलग unique रहता है. I mean, even like not that दांत दिखाने का smile नहीं बोल रहे. Just simple smile. I'm not talking about laughing. Laugh is different.
Smile. Okay,
I'm
okay.
saying like simple smile and how you connect the eyes. एक दूसरे को जब देखते हो तो
Faltwani,
that's
Correct.
what is more.
entire Bay Area, entire USA, entire world now knows when Deepa is a judge or any kind of a beauty contest, please smile to her. Look at her smile. For her, color doesn't matter.
Yeah, neither does it matter for me.
Yeah, for you also?
No, it
Yes.
doesn't. For me, she said exactly that. For me, a smile that reaches the eyes. कुछ लोग ऐसे plastic smile or plastic
Correct.
ऐसे like they'll hug,
Fake,
but you can
fake.
tell that they talk such nonsense behind the other person's back.
No, how, that's judging, Faltwani. I think
Genuinity नहीं रहता बहुत लोगों में. It's
well,
like,
some people have facial paralysis. They can't smile genuinely. Then what are you going to do?
That's okay, but then when you smile, there is something that, like, I'll give you an example. There's one person who
So there's one more way you can actually and recognize genuine smile. Can I tell you scientifically how to recognize
any actor you want to say Baba Faltu Rani?
Faltwani, you want to share an actor who's fake smile?
no actor whose face
बहुत
smile.
लगे वैसे.
Well, I'll tell you how you can recognize somebody who's smiling with their heart
Yeah,
or with their eyes.
yeah,
You know what a crow feet is?
yeah.
It actually appears in your eyes corner when you
Yeah.
actually genuinely smile.
Really? No,
Anybody,
I don't
everybody.
get crow's feet.
No, when you genuinely smile, it actually happens. The muscle, facial muscle, will actually get that. It's not like an ugly crow feet, Father. It's just one line. You get that. When people are smiling, when a little bit of the high
I don't
cheekbones
know.
pushes up.
I thought the eyes light up.
That's what happens, Father.
अरे यार मुझे तो जो most fake जो लगता है वो ऊपर का नीचे का दोनों दांत दिखा के ऐसे करते हैं ना ऐसे like that smile too. I mean,
Oh, me.
क्यों?
That was very
We know you have bottom teeth also. We know that. You don't have to show it every time. It is so fake.
Hey, the Altu smiles like that only.
अरे नहीं right.
Look at his expression right now.
I can't help it. I still have baby teeth going on in my teeth.
Yeah.
See, it didn't fall at all, the baby teeth. I still have bunny teeth.
अच्छा,
Okay. Oh my God, you make me...
अच्छा Alto Baba, you didn't answer her question. What kind of girl you want? You don't give some survey, some crap like 1.6 this or that. Tell from your own heart. What do you want?
Hey, from my own heart, I'll tell you, any girl who's available.
What? Whoa!
Yeah,
देखो
what?
शर्म नहीं आती.
What?
Any girl who's available is attractive to you.
Oh my
What's
God.
why not?
Okay.
Altu, that's
Bay Area.
desperado.
That's
Full
not
of it.
desperado. What? She asked me a question. What kind of girl do you want? I said, okay. Well, I can't say. If I go, see, first and foremost, you can ask me what do you find beautiful. That you ask me.
Yeah. What do you find beautiful?
हाँ.
Huh?
Yeah.
What do I find beautiful? I find beautiful in simple things.
Huh.
That's it. Simple
like,
things.
what is simple things, man?
Simple things is like,
Yeah, which means you are always giving some generic answer. Answer so.
Okay, so now if I have to give a specific answer to you, I should actually have made a specific idea, zeroing on one particular kind of features, right, which I have not done.
Hey, facial, that's what we are talking now, face value.
Facial, okay, face value.
When you see somebody for the first time.
1:6 ratio, 1.6 ratio. So
Yeah.
1.6 ratio.
जब भी किसी को मिलते हो तो मेजरमेंट लेके घूमते हो क्या?
नहीं यार, automatically.
Automatically the mind. Measure your face.
Automatically your brain does it, yeah.
So you don't think Deepa is attractive or I'm attractive?
Deepa is very attractive.
What about me?
You also are very attractive.
I just measured my face. I'm not 1.6 by whatever.
First of all, your mathematics is very weak because your measurement was with your hand, not with your measurement scale.
How should
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Deepa, don't worry, Deepa. I find everybody good looking. I find everybody good looking. That's what's important. That's important because I'm trying to do away with all these standards, these measurement things. I'm trying to do away with all those things because I just don't want to differentiate anybody like saying this is good looking, this is not good looking. Everybody is good looking.
Actually, you know what, Altu Baba? There are some bandhus who've been desperately trying to reach us. While Deepa is also on the air, they're posting on Facebook, pick up my call, pick up my call, pick up my call.
So be it. Hello, namaskar. Aapka hardest father Pam Pam mein. Who's this?
Hi, Meenakshi here.
Meenakshi, your soul sisters here.
Hey, Meenakshi.
Hey, hi, Deepa.
Hi. Okay, hold on, Meenakshi and Deepa. Namaskar, आपका हर स्वागत है Pam Pam के सावले सोमवार में. Who's this?
Pam Pam.
Pranab ji, namaste. Meet Deepa and Meenakshi. Meenakshi, Deepa, meet Pranab ji.
Hello, Pranab ji.
Very
Hello,
good.
Pranab ji,
Hello,
namaste.
Pam Pam, Pam Pam, Deepa, Pam Pam, Meenakshi.
Deepa, I'm 100% sure Pranab has something counter to tell what you are saying, okay? And let's first listen to something good from Meenakshi.
नहीं, मुझे जो दीपा जो भी बोल रही है उसमें 100% मैं उससे सहमत हूँ.
Wow!
मुझे जो जिस बात से कुछ प्रतिक्रिया करनी है वो तुम जो कुछ भी उलझ-जुलझ बातें कर रहे हो ना, any girl who is available, what nonsense. I mean, कुछ भी बोलना है.
Hello, excuse me. So I should go for a girl who's not available, huh?
दीपा ने बोला क्या एक रूलर लेके घूम रहे हो, अरे यहाँ से 1.6 है कि नहीं है सर? कुछ भी बोलते रहते.
नहीं सर, आप टेस्ट करो ना. आप show me something, I'll tell you is good looking or not.
Okay, forget it. So वो छोड़ो, वो सब साइंटिफिक बातें, किताबी बातें हैं.
अभी साइंटिफिक बातें नहीं चाहिए हमें.
In the real world, okay?
अभी हमें साइंटिफिक बातें नहीं चाहिए. Otherwise we'll talk scientific, हाँ? वेरी गुड.
अरे ये दिल की बातें हैं.
जब आपकी समझ से
जैसे उस गाने में ना, या तो घोड़ा बोल या चतुर बोलिए, कभी घोड़ा बोले चतुर बोला. एक बात कर रहा हूँ.
सर चतुर घोड़ा, लेकिन चतुर घोड़ा हो सकता है.
करेंगे ना, एक राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस कर ही देंगे.
हाँ, कर दो.
आल्टू बाबा को बीच में बिठाएंगे. We'll all ask questions.
हाँ, नहीं, you're welcome. मैं कभी ना नहीं बोलता ना. I will tell you what I really feel. I'm on air मैं सच बोलता हूँ always.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
But Deepa, you know that may backfire. इससे कौन मैच करेगा?
Exactly. लेकिन आप जो भी बॉल फेंको मैं तो definitely I'll do one batting on there for sure.
लेकिन आंसर तो कर.
आंसर क्या कर? देखो आंसर दे दिया आपको आंसर.
मीनाक्षी, what is your say?
हाँ, thank you दीपा जी. हाँ, मीनाक्षी बोलिए.
Okay, तो मेरा कलर व्हीटिश कॉम्प्लेक्शन है.
वाह, I like it.
तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ, मेरे साथ इतने सारे इंसिडेंट हुए हैं कि people had been so unfair towards me.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, since my childhood till the time I got married.
Wow, okay.
Every path of life, people are there.
Yeah, yes.
Who's there, like,
sorry to hear that, yeah.
Like, to belittle you, okay, तुम्हारा complexion ऐसा है, तो you can,
yes.
like, यहाँ पर कमी है या यहाँ पर कमी है, कुछ और कमी नहीं मिली तो complexion के ऊपर बात लेकर आ जाते हैं.
Very, yeah, I totally. In fact,
I have been through these phases.
I totally understand, situation because I myself am weak complexion, but I never cared about anybody for the matter.
You're not weak complexion.
I'm dark. Okay, I'm dark wheat complexion. Okay, how about I'm fried wheat complexion? I'm like, that's
like
exactly.
लोगों को इससे भी प्रॉब्लम होती थी कि if I'm comfortable in my skin color, तो why are you so comfortable in your skin color?
That's the sad
wish
part.
for like a गोरा रंग or fair complexion.
That's true. I agree. In fact, that's the reason why we do this show today, Savli Somar, and we were actually looking at the Indian cinema, how unfair it has been to us.
Yeah.
Majority of us being of a darker skin, Savli color, right?
Yeah.
Very few people are blessed to be born Gora Chitta like Faltu Rani, Deepa, or for the better Pranab ji. Oh, Pranab ji also like Chitta, Gora Chikna, by the way.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Right?
देखो विषय से भटको मत. No, I am okay.
Arey sir, kuch bhi ho jaye, I still love you. Hey, but I just want to say one thing, Meenakshi ji, thank you so much for sharing it. I know it is something which majority of us go through it. We don't talk about it, but thank you for bringing it up because that's the reason why.
अरे लोग तो कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे यार, लोगों का काम है कहना. दे like तुमने खुद बोला ना, जब कुछ और
एग्जैक्टली मैं तो हमेशा से कंफर्टेबल थी, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती थी, लेकिन लोगों को लगता था कि अच्छा चलो कुछ और पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए नहीं है, ठीक है पढ़ाई में ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में भी आगे है, तो कुछ तो बोलना है, तो कहाँ इसे नीचा दिखाया जा सकता है. तो ओ you won't look like nice और तुम्हारा fair complexion नहीं है, personality इतनी attractive नहीं है.
Yeah,
like this is unfortunately it's one thing that in society वो सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, ये जो unrealistic expectations है यहाँ पे भी चलता है. इनफैक्ट मैंने एक 15 साल की लड़की को बोलते हुए सुना कि किसी ने, उसके जो फ्रेंड्स थे, उसके फ्रेंड्स ने पूछा कि तुम इतने सारे AP क्लासेस क्यों ले रहे हो, मतलब they have to do these advanced placement classes in high school, और तुम इतना क्यों, you're taking this exam, she's taken so many courses कि SAT के लिए, ACT के लिए, तो इतना क्यों कर रहे हो. तो वो बोलती है कि वो थोड़ी like she's not the typical petite girl, she's tall and she's a little heavier, so she says मेरे looks को देखो, मेरा अगर मैं पढ़ाई में भी नहीं आगे निकलूंगी तो I don't stand a chance in the world.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
And 15-year-old child.
This is true. ये ऐसा होता है, और बिकॉज हम उस कैटेगरी से आते हैं जहाँ पर हमने ये सब चीजें देखी सुनी है, खुद एक्सपीरियंस की है, तो वी कैन टेल ये बहुत सारी कॉमन चीजें हैं. लोगों का एटीट्यूड ही डिफरेंट होता है. इफ दे आर, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई एम नॉट लाइक सबकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन देयर आर पीपल.
No, I really appreciate you picking the phone and calling here because कैसा ये होता है मीनाक्षी जी, हम लोग जब क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं ना, कुछ तो कुछ रीजन होता है उसके पीछे. एंड थैंक यू दीपा फॉर बीइंग सो ऑनेस्ट एंड थैंक यू फादर फॉर बीइंग सो ऑनेस्ट. इट एक्चुअली इज वेरी ट्रू. समटाइम्स वी बीइंग इन द सिचुएशन यू नॉट नो अबाउट अदर पीपल्स सिचुएशन,
right?
But the good thing you brought it up over here, and very true happens, and unfortunate thing which is happening right now, and we got to see how we can change the next generation to see beyond color, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So Pranab ji,
one song which always comes to my mind, वो एक बहुत फेमस गाना था, वो हो गया था 90s. I know you don't like those.
बताओ.
सावली सलोनी तेरी झील सी आंखें.
हाँ.
सही है. गाना है मेरे पास.
हाँ, बताओ.
था मेरे यार की शादी है में था सावल सी लड़की धड़कन जैसे देखी.
ये तुझे पता होगा ना मीनाक्षी, ये गाना वो the movie name was हम सब चोर है शायद. That's the name of the movie.
नहीं हमें मालूम है कि आप सब चोर हो. लेकिन एक कोतवाल है हमारे बीच में जो बेस्ट चुप बैठे हैं, हमारे प्रणब जी. प्रणब जी, आपका राय बताइए. आप भी एक शायर हो, आप भी कविता लिखते हो, एंड यू ऑल्सो श्रृंगार रस में बहुत डैबल करते हो, तो बताइए आपका.
मैं डबल करता हूँ या मैं डीप डाइव लेता हूँ, मेरी समस्या है. और मैं क्या है, एक ही लाइन में चलता हूँ, आंख बंद रख के एक ही दिशा में चलता हूँ. तो मेरा जो सब एकाग्रता है, मेरी एकाग्रता है, वो एक ही तरफ केंद्रित होती है. तो अब मैं क्या बताऊँ, तो वैसे मैं लिखता हूँ, उनके बारे में लिखता हूँ. तो मैंने ऐसे कोई और किसी के बारे में ऐसी सुंदरता की वर्णना नहीं की है. तो जो सुंदर है वो मन से सुंदर है, तो रंग से उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मैं पर्सनल ओपिनियन. तो
लेकिन हमारा सवाल ये है सर कि आप पहली बार जब किसी से मिलते हो आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि वो कैसे, उनका मन कैसा है?
How would you say
कि
somebody?
आप कैसे, I mean, अगर किसी से आकर्षित होते हो तो कुछ ना कुछ तो होना चाहिए, right? I mean, मतलब we're not talking in terms of कि oh you have to be attracted to that person and you're falling in love with that person, nothing like that. We're just talking about
उसका भी उत्तर है, राइट? उसका उत्तर ये है कि जब आप ऑफ कोर्स जैसे बोल देना फर्स्ट मीटिंग इज फॉर्मल, तो उसमें कुछ नहीं है, बट जैसे आप किसी के साथ थोड़े देर समय व्यतीत करते हो तो आप ऑफ कोर्स यू नो लाइक हाउ दे थिंक, व्हाट दे डू इन अ ग्रुप सेटिंग, वेदर दे आर हेल्पफुल टू पीपल, उनका जो एम्पैथी है कि नहीं. तो आई थिंक मैं बहुत संवेदनशील मनुष्य हूँ, आई एम वेरी इमोशनल पर्सन, सो आई सी हाउ पीपल ट्रीट अदर्स. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा पैमाना होता है कि मैं उसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप कहाँ तक रखूं और जस्ट हाई बाय तक सीमित रखूं. Same goes in work also, right? He is more cooperative. Of course, you want to work more with them. So yeah, so रंग रूप का I don't think it really matters.
So let's say we're supposed to ask you, is that person beautiful? How would you measure? आपका कोई measure है beauty का?
तो तुम्हारे से वो फाइव के रूलर लेके तो मैं घूमता नहीं है, but I don't know. तुम क्या सुनना चाहते हो, बट
नहीं हमें बस आपकी दिल की बात बता दो. सच बोलो ऑनर है आप.
राइट, अगेन यू डिफाइन सुंदरता, राइट? आप सुंदर किसको बोल रहे हो, राइट? तो जैसे उसमें कविता ने बोला कि किसी से मिलके आप उसके मन की सुंदरता को थोड़ी देर में नहीं जान सकते, राइट? तो या तो अगेन एंड अगेन ये खाली बॉलीवुड तक सीमित नहीं है, ये वर्ल्ड वाइड है, राइट? लोग रंग के हिसाब से किसी को जज करते हैं, या आप बट आकर्षण जो है वो बहुत तरह का था, खाली ऐसे रंग रूप से नहीं होता, बट या यू लाइक द वे समबडी टॉक्स, या समबडी इज लाइक कैसे बोलेंगे, जोवियल है, जैसे बहुत हंसते हैं बात में, क्रैक जोक्स, और अगर क्रैक जोक में भी तो भी स्माइल करते हैं. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं मनु जैसे स्माइल ही नहीं करते, सो ऑफ कोर्स आई विल नेवर गोइंग टू गेट अलोंग विद दैट पर्सन, राइट?
तो आप भी बोल रहे हो कि स्माइल इज समथिंग व्हिच यू लुक फॉर.
नॉट लुक फॉर मींस बात करते में if somebody is not smiling at all or not laughing on a good joke, then something seriously wrong, right? So of course that's a seriously no for me.
Oh my God, मतलब प्रणब जी, if you meet me you'll not like me. मैं तो बहुत सीरियस बंदा हूँ.
तू बहुत सड़ू है.
हाँ, मैं तो बहुत सीरियस बंदा हूँ.
तो तुम अलग तरह के सीरियस हो, क्या बताऊँ मैं? तुम्हारे तो वर्णन करने के लिए पूरा एक रामायण लिखना.
नहीं प्रणब जी वो लोग पूछ रहे हैं ना, you do not necessarily you should know the person. कभी देखते हो तो बाद में मिलने का चांस भी नहीं रहेगा. So that's where then what attracts you, अथवा how you will remember that person later.
या उसका वही है कि ये how that experience rhymes. अगर मैं मिला किसी से 2 मिनट के लिए भी, so if that person leaves an impression on me, again it's not nothing to do with her beauty or his charm. It's just like वो मेरा छोटी सी मुलाकात, did I remember?
Meenakshi ji, you see what he said?
The way they carry them, or the way they talk to, whether they were respectful or they were rushing me to just push me away and call the next person. So ये छोटी-छोटी बातें हैं. So that leaves the impression. So yeah, that's a nice person.
See, Meenakshi ji.
Like, yeah.
Meenakshi ji, you still there with us? Meenakshi ji?
Yep.
हाँ, देखो प्रणब जी कैसे बोल रहे हैं अभी. देखो, her beauty, his charm. Why can't it be his beauty also? देखो, मैं तो शिकायत करने वाला हूँ आपसे. हाँ. Why can't it be his beauty? Why can't
you never say a man is beautiful? वो बातें हैं.
Hello sir. ऐसी कोई बात, सुंदरता.
Don't say man is beautiful.
Sir, सुंदरता.
Kishan is beautiful.
लेकिन आप again.
Or Adwa is beautiful. We can say.
Tell that. That's nice. I like it. यार देखो, जब भी कोई मिलता है ना फालतू, I'll tell you one thing. आप भी बोलो. अभी देखो दीपा जी, मीनाक्षी जी, प्रणब जी. Whenever people meet, right, girls are very quick to comment about a girl and say, oh, you look so beautiful. They don't say it to a guy. Why not? Yeah, why don't you say good looking guy? Oh, you look so good looking. No, they नहीं बोलते वो लोग. I feel so bad, you know.
हाँ, फिर उससे भी जज करेंगे ना लोग. अरे देखो कैसे बोल रही है, इतनी फॉरवर्ड है बंदी.
Exactly.
अरे लड़कियों को बहुत मुश्किल है बाबा.
अच्छा, लड़कों को भी मुश्किल है भाई.
But believe me, जब वो आपस में लड़कियां खड़ी होती है तो वो जरूर पॉइंट आउट करके बोलते हैं कि पूरी पार्टी में अच्छा ये लड़का गुड लुकिंग है.
हालांकि लड़कों की
ये कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही होती है.
ये अलग टॉपिक है, ये अलग शो है हमारा.
I want to say something.
ये अलग टॉपिक है ये.
बोलिए प्रणब जी.
नहीं मैं बोल रहा था also about again not trying to praise you here or something, but anybody, I think Deepa and Meenakshi will agree with me. Anybody who meets you for some time, right? Yeah, you are TDS, but still beyond the TDS, people still remember. You will leave a long-lasting impression with them, even if you meet somebody for 3 minutes, because you have some personality trait, right? Everything. इतना लंबा है
Then it's definitely a nature. Then it's nature.
Maybe whether they remember because of their height, but no, not necessarily.
No. Don't stop. Stop. Don't stop. Wow. Thank you, brother.
So that is what I'm going to say is, it's not about your beauty or it's more about mannerism, how you treat people. वो जो छोटी सी मुलाकात मेरे माइंड में है यार, मिला था यार, ऐसे what a gem of a person. Or even if I go to the DMV, some clerk, if they treat me nicely, I will have that impression. So yeah, I was treated well. So it's a human nature, right? When we feel welcome, that we remember.
I like
so
to
it's not necessarily, yeah.
When I go to DMV next time, I really look forward to actually meeting a sloth. And I'm going to tell them a joke.
Yeah, that picture, I remember that movie.
अभी मेरी
बोलो
अभी देखो मैं एक इंसिडेंट बोलती हूँ, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी. वन ऑफ माय रिलेटिव, मतलब मैं मेरे पापा की जनरेशन की, लाइक यू नो शी
कौन पाटिल जी,
एंड जब व्हेन शी दे वर लुकिंग फॉर बॉयज टू हर, तो उसने चैलेंज किया अपने फ्रेंड्स को और खुद को भी कि मैं गोरा चिट्टा लड़के से ही शादी करूंगी, एंड शी डिड दैट.
Oh my God, किसकी बात कर रहे हो? सुषमा की? Oh my God.
See, I think
सुषमा पाटिल. Oh my God, really?
Oh God.
Oh.
मैं किसी का नाम नहीं बोल रही, मैं अपनी.
So see, everybody comes with their own set of preconceived notions at the end of the day. And you know, अगर किसी को किसी से शादी करनी है, मतलब वो उन it depends on them. It's their personal.
निजी मामला है.
Because they some people also think like this. Now, if she's so, I have a group of friends. Some of them these. I don't want to say they went to a very famous engineering college in India, and they would always look out for pretty girls, very pretty girls. They didn't care whether what her, you know, how. Sometimes it's, you know, you can know. Somebody said, right? Vishal Arora ji said that they're very pretty till they open their mouth, kind of thing, and they do all kinds of nasty things, and then they'd be like, no. The only reason is because we've got the brains, they've got the beauty, and the offspring will get the. I couldn't believe that they had a serious conversation. Guys saying this.
Yeah, exactly. What they don't realize is they're supposedly be engineers and mathematicians. They should don't understand. Sometimes probabilities they get the brains of that one and looks of theirs.
Exactly what I used to ask. What would happen if that happened? So
that's true. So, and Pranamji is actually nodding his head. Yes, I agree with you. And thank you, Pranamji. Aapne, not because you said some nice things about me, but thank you so much for chiming in today. And thank you, Deepa ji, for chiming in. Thank you, Meenakshi, for sharing that information with us. We really appreciate the fact that you guys are bringing in those thoughts into the show. It's becoming very, very, very nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, and I love you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, you guys, for calling in. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meenakshi ji.
All right. And of course, Banujan, aap sun rahe hain the hot and honking drive time, prime time jam, pam, right here on Radio D Hotties on 1310 AM and 92.9 FM. And आपसे हम लोग आज वार्तालाप कर रहे थे
Savli Somvar. Matlab, we're talking about the warped notion of beauty in our culture, and of course, driven, of course, by majorly by the Indian cinemas, right? Because Indian cinema, we can call it as a media as well. Even for the matter, advertising is the same thing, because advertising says you got to look like, if you want to look like Preeti Zinta, go shower in the waterfalls using Lidl.
Exactly.
I tried, it didn't work on me.
Oh my God, there was a whole, there's still, I don't know if you've seen this movie. I saw this movie recently. What was it?
Yeah, I even tried the Vico Vajidanthi, so I'll have strong teeth, I can bite the akhrot the way that old man
what movie was that, man? The recent one we saw, which is Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte.
I haven't seen the movie, you have seen it, I suppose.
I saw the movie.
Haveli, Raat Akeli hai.
Raat Akeli hai. In that, right, even in that movie, आजकल के ज़माने में जो पिक्चरें बनती हैं, they show how they apply Fair and Lovely. A man hides and applies Fair and Lovely because his mom thinks he's not fair, so he doesn't get girls.
That's true.
And you know, sometimes you just think about the double standards in your life, right? I mean, kya matlab, you know, what are you talking about? Like, just fair? Is it? I mean, just that. Is beauty really
and
that?
And you know, Baljan, Indian cinema, we are the only people who actually call out Indian cinema. We say when they do a good job, we tell them good job. When they don't do a good job, we call them out, and we call them out right now. Because Indian cinema, if you look at, हमने बहुत देखा ढूंढा, we only could mass around 10 songs which actually talks about a complexion which is not fair. And the beauty definition, a song which describes beauty with a complexion which is not fair, सांवली complexion, right?
Right.
And रंजीत भाटी साहब आपको भूले नहीं हम लोग, अभी हम लोग गाना डाल के निकलने वाले हैं. आपका beautiful song choice था, हमारी list में था वो, right? Though in that particular movie she is not depicted as dark skin, the song actually is beautifully written. Shamal Shamal Badan, Komal Komal Charan, right?
Yeah.
So listen to the song, बजे इसी साथ हम लोग आज का show close up करने वाले हैं. Father, any closing thoughts for the show?
You never asked me what I look for.
Falsi, what do you look for? And we don't say mirror.
I won't say mirror.
Okay,
I won't. What? Why will I say mirror?
Some people
Whatever
have.
nonsense.
Yeah, hey, come on.
No, I just, for me, in a person, जो हमारे नहीं हमारे रंजीत सिंह भाटिया साहब ने कहा, every person has something beautiful about them, and that I don't know why, maybe I am blessed at one, or maybe my parents trained me to at one point, because मेरा देखने का ये नज़रिया ऐसा था बंदजन, when I was younger, is that I would always find for some reason I'd find the flaw in something. If there's a beautiful dress and one thread is out of place, that'll be the first thing my eyes will go to. And at that point, my dad and my mom actually sat me down and explained to me, and when I was very young, that you lose the beauty of life if you keep looking at things look at everything as, okay, this is wrong, this is not okay, this is not okay. So I actually they trained me to start looking at something beautiful in every single thing. It was literally a training, I'm not kidding.
And you're still training yourself, right?
No, it's become like second nature to me right now. It's like, it's even though that's probably something that automatically comes to my eyes, but at the same time, for some reason, there's something attractive about any single person, every single person that pops out at me. And I feel like there's one particular thing that I really like is, I don't know, eyes generally attract me a lot, and humility in the eyes. कुछ लोगों का होता है जहाँ पे calculative नजरिया होता है.
Oh wow.
Yeah, some people. So there's humility and also the warmth in their personality.
It's interesting how Faltoni looks for all the. She says she doesn't look at the dark spot in the white painting, but she always looks for the calculative eyes.
There are calculative eyes.
So you're looking for, that means you're actually differentiating already, right, Faltoni?
No, I'm not differentiating.
Anyway, training is a lifelong process, but very good for that, Faltoni. And thank you so much for sharing that wonderful thought.
Yeah, unlike people who give very generic answers, Sanjay, I'm telling you very specifically. For me, eyes, warmth, and humility.
So
that's
she
what
looks for all those
me.
things specifically.
Yeah. I don't look for it. It automatically jumps out at me.
It jumps out at you as what? The warmth?
Yeah.
Okay. And of course, I was going to play this song, Majid Saab, sorry about that. Jitna ho sake play karunga. Lekin Faltoni, at least we got the definition of beauty from Faltoni, how she looks for it. So please have a non-calculative eyes. And what is Faltoni? And genuine smile. Oh, she got angry.
Good night, Shaba Khair. And of course, we'll see you tomorrow morning, Mirajan, on Good Morning Day. Pyar Bhara.
शामल शामल बरन कोमल कोमल चरण तेरे मुखड़े पे चंदा गगन का जड़ा बड़े मन से विधाता ने तुझको घड़ा बड़े मन से विधाता ने तुझको घड़ा शामल शामल बरन